Hey everyone, a very warm welcome back to the channel. So today we have another question, question number 14 from the chapter of trigonometry, in which we are being asked to eliminate x and y from the given set of equations. Now, obviously, we are given three equations and two variables we have to eliminate. So that is certainly possible. Because to eliminate n variables, we must have n plus 1 equations. So the equations are sin x plus sin y is equal to a, cos x plus cos y is equal to b, and tan x plus tan y is equal to c. So maximum time allotted for this question would be 9 minutes, and ideally you should try to do it within 4 minutes. So you can give the question a try, pause the video, and then return back to have a look at the solution. So I hope you all have tried. Now let's see how to solve the question itself. So answer first of all would be C is equal to 8ab upon a square plus b square whole square minus 4a square. The concepts and formulas used are sum or difference to product, and product to sum or difference transformation formulas we should know. Sine theta and cos theta we should know in terms of tan theta by 2. This is a very basic and well-known and standard submultiple angle formula. Okay, as written here, 2t upon 1 plus t square, and cos is equal to 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, where t is tan theta by 2. Now, in such problems, I am telling you a very good and general technique that almost always works. The technique is a very good technique is to find all possible relations between the given expressions. So basically we are given a, b, c, right? So we can find a plus b, we can find a minus b, we can find a square plus b square, we can find a square minus b square, we can find a into b, we can find a upon b. So when you find all these possibilities, then it becomes blatantly visible and so much clearer to us as to what should be done in order to perform the necessary elimination. Okay, because if you find all of them, it is really easy, to see that okay, this thing should be done to eliminate. Okay, otherwise it might be a little difficult. So this is a technique that will always help you out in these kinds of questions where elimination is involved. So when I tried it out, I was able to observe that finding a by b and finding a square plus b square works out the best in this case. Basically, tried to find everything like a minus b also. I tried to find a plus b also, then a square minus b square also, a into b also. So out of those, I figured out that, okay, these two things are working the best in order to perform the necessary elimination. Now, how that works, let's see. So first of all, what I've done is I have applied the formula sin A plus sin B formula. Okay, so sum to product transformation formula I've used. So I've used 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. Similarly, I have applied the same logic in B also. Cos A plus cos B is equal to 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. That formula we have applied. Of course, on dividing, we observe that 2 cos x minus y by 2 gets cancelled, and we are only left with tan of x plus y by 2. Now, it is very obvious to us that sine of x plus y can be written as, now look, what we are doing is, if I am calling this as theta, this is nothing but theta by 2. So using this formula, I am able to write sine of theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 2 upon 1 plus tan square theta by 2. So, and tan theta by 2 value we already have found out as a by b. So that's how I have gotten the value of sine x plus y and cos of x plus y. I think pretty easy and simple to follow up till here, right? Now, what about a square plus b square? So when you are going to find a square plus b square, a square plus b square, we are obviously going to get sine square x plus cos square x plus sine square by y plus cos square y plus twice of cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. On simplifying, this clearly becomes 2 common into 1 plus cos of x minus y. Okay. Now, what we need to observe is that C would obviously be equal to this quantity. The reason is tan A plus tan B can always be written as sine of A plus B upon cos A cos B. The proof is rather simple. You can just write it as sine A upon cos A and plus sine B upon cos B, and then you can just take LCM and you can just observe that sine A cos B plus sine B cos A is nothing but the expansion of sine of A plus B. So using that logic, I've been able to express C in this form. Now cross multiply and we get C cos x cos y is equal to, now this I am writing as 2ab upon a square plus b square using 1. What is the equation number 1? This. Okay. So I think till here we have got. Now what I'm doing is I am multiplying both sides by 2. I am multiplying by 2. So this becomes 4ab upon this thing, a square plus b square. And here 2 cos a cos b formula I have used, that it is equal to cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Okay, I hope this is very clear. Now what we are doing is that cos of x plus y value I am putting from 2, this equation. Cos of x plus y value is this now from equation number 2, and cos of x minus y value I am putting from equation number 3. How much will be cos of x minus y from here? It is very obvious that it would be equal to a square plus b square by 2 minus 1. So that is exactly what we have replaced it by. And then uh, after simplifying and taking the LCM, this is what we get. So basically, look, try to understand what has happened. This remained as it is, right? And these values we have just substituted from what we already had. Okay, then we are simply taking the LCM and trying to simplify this expression, and that's how we get C is equal to this quantity. Okay, so I really hope this question you must have found it easy, because there weren't many manipulations, and I'm also hopeful that you all were able to solve it yourself before even having a look at the solution, because I don't think this was very tricky or very difficult to think of. So once again, make sure you all like the video, comment down below what you like the most, and hit the bell icon to never miss an update, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in the next one.